big lion.
And then what happened?
And then I got hit by a car. Again!
Swallow your food really quick. And then, did somebody give you an entire gallon of milk and you drank the whole thing?
Yeah.
And then did you go fly an airplane?
Yeah. Again!
What else?
And then I got trapped by a human surfing.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a mean person.
And then what happened?
And then, did you get the keys and unlock yourself? I got the keys, and then I unlocked myself.
Wow. And then did you climb a tree up to the way top?
Yeah.
Why did you take a drink of milk?
No. And then what happened? Then I got run over by a knife. And then I got picked up by a mean man. No difference. And then I got picked up by a mean man.
I highly doubt that. And then did you see a giraffe
Yeah.
in Mrs. JoJo's yard?
Yeah.
A gorilla?
Yeah.
What?
A gorilla? What's a gorilla?
A gorilla.
Tell me more about getting hit by the tree. What happened again?
I got cut up by a thing.
By a saw?
Yeah. A saw. You got cut up? Yeah. With a knife? No, with a saw.
What happened with the
Saw.
tree?
Did it fall on you, Anna? Yeah. Again? Oh. And then I got up. And then somebody knifed me